Navigating the online world without a clear business plan often leaves potential treasures buried. The typical journey into affiliate marketing unfolds over months. But what if a 24-hour blueprint existed? No website, no social following, not a dime to invest, yet $1,000 richer by tomorrow. Bypassing the digital noise with a method so simple, its effectiveness is almost shocking. Curious how? Welcome to Lesson 1 on Affiliate Marketing, a strategy session aimed at unlocking $1,000 online within 24 hours. This introductory guide is tailored specifically for beginners, offering a clear, actionable path into the world of affiliate marketing with minimal entry barriers. This approach doesn't require deep pockets or a sprawling digital footprint. Instead, it leverages the clever promotion of a digital essential in today's privacy-focused world, VPN services. This method is straightforward, focusing on a product that defends against the ever-increasing threats to personal online security. By aligning with such a critical and sought-after service, even those new to the affiliate scene can establish a foothold and capitalize on the burgeoning demand. While VPNs are highlighted here as a prime example, remember that the affiliate marketing landscape is broad, encompassing a variety of digital products and services, from antivirus software to online learning platforms, all of which offer significant earning potential. Moreover, this plan includes a secret sauce, a remarkably simple step that could significantly multiply your earnings. This video demystifies how to make substantial gains by tapping into the digital security market, all without the typical startup complexities. This lesson not only lays the groundwork for successful affiliate marketing, but it also opens up avenues to explore a range of products where similar strategies can be effectively applied. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please, check out our other cool videos on this channel. VPNs, or virtual private networks, serve as essential tools for safeguarding online privacy and enhancing data security. They operate by encrypting internet traffic and disguising the user's IP address, which cloaks online activities from unwanted scrutiny and cyber threats. This encryption creates a secure tunnel for data to travel through, making it extremely difficult for hackers to intercept or decipher. The demand for VPNs has surged in response to increasing internet surveillance and the prevalence of cyber threats. In our digital age, everyday online activities, from banking transactions to social networking, can expose personal information to risk if not properly protected. VPNs address these vulnerabilities by ensuring that, even if data is intercepted, it remains unreadable and secure. Legal and ethical considerations also play a role in the use of VPNs. They are legal in most countries, provided they are used for legitimate purposes like protecting personal data and enhancing online privacy. However, it's crucial to choose reputable VPN providers that adhere to strong privacy policies and offer reliable, secure services. Examples of popular VPN providers include NordVPN, ExpressVPN, and Surfshark, each known for robust security features and strict no-logs policies, which ensures users' activities aren't tracked or stored. Affiliate marketing is a streamlined process where you promote a product or service and earn a commission for each sale or lead you generate. It's a performance-based business model that rewards you for successfully connecting a company's product with customers who are ready to buy. Here's how it operates. You select a product you trust and feel confident will sell. Use your unique affiliate link to promote it, and then collect a percentage of the transaction as your reward. This method serves as an effective passive income stream because once your promotion is set up and running, it can generate revenue with minimal ongoing effort. Choosing the right affiliate program is crucial. You want a blend of a reputable product, attractive commission structures, and support from the program providers. Surfshark, for instance, is an exemplary case. Known for its robust VPN services, it offers affiliates a generous 40% commission rate on sales, making it an enticing option for anyone looking to dive into affiliate marketing. For individuals with their own product or service, affiliate marketing opens a viable path to revenue. It allows you to leverage established products and market demand, reducing the typical risk and overhead associated with developing and selling your own goods. Essentially, you're stepping into a built environment, ready to be monetized with the right strategy and effort. To capitalize on the Surfshark affiliate program, begin by visiting their website. Locate the affiliate program section typically found at the bottom of the homepage under the Program subsection. This is your gateway to partnering with one of the leading VPN services available today. The sign-up process for Surfshark's affiliate program is straightforward. You will need to fill out an application form providing basic details such as your name, email address, and the platforms you plan to use for promotion, like your blog, YouTube channel, or social media profiles. Approval is usually swift, provided you meet their criteria for potential affiliate marketers. Once approved, you'll receive access to affiliate links. These links are unique to you and track the sales that you generate. The effective use of these links is crucial. They should be integrated naturally within engaging content. Whether it's a detailed blog post, a video tutorial, or even a tweet, your content should add value to your audience while subtly encouraging them to explore Surfshark services through your affiliate link. Creating content that resonates with your audience is key. Focus on the benefits of using a VPN, such as enhanced security, privacy from ISPs, and overcoming geo-restrictions. Informative, persuasive content that addresses common problems and how Surfshark provides solutions will likely lead to higher engagement and conversions. Tracking your results is essential for refining your strategy. Surfshark's affiliate dashboard offers comprehensive analytics, showing which links are performing and which aren't. Use this data to understand your audience's preferences and behavior better, then optimize your approach accordingly. Ethical practices in affiliate marketing cannot be overstated. Always disclose your affiliate relationships transparently in your content. This not only complies with legal requirements, but it also fosters trust with your audience. A simple disclosure stating that clicking on links may generate commission for you maintains transparency. Finally, driving traffic to your affiliate links involves a mix of strategy and creativity. SEO optimized blog posts, social media marketing, email newsletters, and even paid ads can be effective, depending on your audience and budget. Each platform offers unique advantages, and combining them can be particularly effective for reaching a wider audience. Harnessing tools like ChatGPT for content creation can dramatically enhance your affiliate marketing strategy, especially when promoting technical products like VPNs. AI tools excel at generating SEO-friendly content that can pull in traffic through organic search, crucial for long-term success. To create articles about VPN uses and benefits, feed specific prompts into ChatGPT. For instance, ask for a detailed guide on how VPNs enhance online security or the advantages of using a VPN for streaming. These prompts direct the AI to produce targeted content that aligns with your marketing goals, providing value to your audience while highlighting product features. While AI can streamline content creation, ensuring the uniqueness of your content is vital to stand out in search engines and keep your audience engaged. After generating an article, it's crucial to edit the text to match your voice and style. This might include restructuring sentences for better flow, incorporating personal anecdotes, or adding unique insights that reflect your expertise. Embedding affiliate links naturally with AI-generated content involves integrating call-to-action phrases that feel seamless. For example, after explaining a VPN benefit, you might add, "Check out Surfshark for robust online protection," linking directly to your affiliate page. Choosing Medium.com for publishing affiliate marketing content offers distinct advantages due to its robust built-in audience and SEO benefits. Medium's platform allows articles to gain traction quickly, often ranking well on Google thanks to the site's high domain authority. To get started, create a Medium account and optimize your profile. Include a professional photo, a concise bio that reflects your expertise in digital security, and a link to your personal or business website if available. This sets the stage for establishing credibility with your readers. Publishing articles on Medium is straightforward. Once logged in, click on New Story to begin crafting your content. Ensure your articles are SEO-friendly by incorporating relevant keywords strategically throughout the text. For example, terms like best VPN services or online privacy tips can help attract the right audience. Tools like Google Keyword Planner can aid in selecting effective keywords. Embedding Surfshark's affiliate links within your articles should be done naturally. Include them in sections where you discuss VPN benefits, making sure they flow with the rest of the content. This integration should not disrupt the reader's experience, but rather provide them with a useful resource. After publishing, promote your Medium articles across social media platforms and other relevant online communities. Sharing your links on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn helps increase visibility and drive traffic to your content. Engaging directly with your newfound knowledge, you're now equipped to make informed strides into the dynamic world of affiliate marketing. Leveraging the compelling combination of VPNs and astute marketing tactics, you stand on the cusp of tapping into a lucrative stream of passive income. Remember, this is just the beginning. The strategies and tools you've learned here lay the foundation for expanding into various digital products, each offering a unique opportunity to maximize your affiliate earnings. Now, take these insights, apply them with rigor, and watch as your efforts translate into tangible success. The digital landscape is vast, and with the right approach, it's yours to conquer. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please, check out our other cool videos on this channel.